Alright, so usually I don't do unboxings. For a long time, I just kind of didn't really get the point to them. But being as my channel is still pretty new, I thought I would try and do this unboxing for this product, which I have been waiting a pretty good amount of time for. As you all know, if you've seen my Galaxy Buds comparison, these are my go-tos for earbuds. They're not particularly the best out there, but I mean, they do a lot of things right, and that's really what matters when it comes down to it. I mean, of course, yes, sound does matter. These are earbuds, but these do a lot of things right. So now we're going to take at maybe, hopefully, what's going to replace my Galaxy Buds Plus, and that is this. So I'm actually pretty excited about these. So excited that I didn't even get a knife or something like that to open them, so we're just going to do it the good old-fashioned way. The kid at Christmas opening presents way. And there we have it. The Galaxy Buds Pro. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's in this box, if I can get it open without having a knife, which I don't think I can, but we're going to try anyway. Alright, so I couldn't get these open with my fingers, but I have the next best thing. I'm going to use that. Remember these? They used to come with your phone. Now they don't. Yeah, I'm definitely throwing shade right now, but let's go ahead and open these. And don't worry, I have like a few of these things. Because that's what Samsung thinks. Everybody just has chargers laying around. Alright, so let's do that. Let's get this off of the table. And here are the Galaxy Buds Pro. Now, I went ahead and got the violet version. Let's see. Does it actually have the color on here? Probably not, but yeah, just the violet. I forget exactly what the name of the color is called. I'll probably put it up in text on screen. But yeah, the reason I went for these is because, you know, everybody knows what black and white looks like. Those are such standard colors, but every time Samsung does make a new sort of, not completely new color, but just something that looks different, I kind of want to go towards it. So that's why I got these. So coming out of the box, what you just saw, and I didn't say, is you'll have the earbuds right here, and they're wrapped in this little plastic thing. We'll put that to the side. And this box is typically where your charger and everything sits. Oh look, there's still a cable. I'm surprised they didn't take that one out. Alright, I'm gonna stop throwing shade. I'm actually really, as you can tell, pretty mad about the whole charger thing. Like, I get the reasoning, but I don't get the reasoning. Alright, and there's your USB charger. Now, interesting. This is a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. That's kind of different. Why would they give you this when we're kind of in the age of USB-C? You know, the phones, they'll give you a double-sided USB-C cable, but why would they go with the USB Type A to Type C? I don't know. But anyway, here are what seems to be your extra air tips. Okay, we got some air tips in there. Now, these, so I guess they found a way to kind of make these sit in your ear without those wingtips. Of course, when I do my comparison review of the Galaxy Buds Plus and the Galaxy Buds Pro, you'll definitely go ahead and I'll definitely go ahead and share how these fit. But of course, here you have your, I'm gonna go ahead and say these are probably large or medium tips. And that's kind of it for what's in that box here. Let's put that to the side. And the last thing you have in the box is just your quick start guide here. So let's move that to the side. And quick start guide. Alright, this quick start stuff, I mean, they've made these devices really, really simple, so I mean, you're not really going to find much useful information here. But if you want to go ahead and see it, here it is. And it's accordion-ness. Just, you know, I just think of an accordion. And then you have the... Oh, okay, look at this. There's like a little graphic on the back that tells you how to wear the earbuds. It's pretty handy if you think to look back there, or if you even take this out of the box. And then you have your terms and conditions. And that's pretty much what's in the box. That's it, really. Now, if you've been to my channel again, you know I like to kind of be as detailed as possible. So here's the back of the box if you want to see it and everything that it entails. I'll just hold this up for a few. Feel free to pause and take a look. Hopefully this comes out really clear on camera. All right, that's enough of that. And finally, let's get all of this extra stuff out of the way so that we can get to what really, really matters, which is the earbuds themselves. All right, so here they are. Oh, these are pretty nice. I kind of like that little chromish finish. And I see immediately what's different from the Galaxy Buds Live case is they have this kind of ridge here. I guess, oh, that's a pretty interesting design. So I guess the ridge is here so that they can just have the cradle be a little bit deeper so your earbuds fit in here. And as you can see, there's like an indentation here that this sits over. And yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, and one of the things I can say is this magnet here is it's decently strong. It's pretty cool. We'll see just how strong that is from, you know, using it as it goes on. And on the front here, you still have that LED, which right now I believe it's indicating to me that my battery life for these are probably about mid. And then on the inside, you have that light right here, which tells you the battery life of the earbuds themselves. So if these were charging, that would probably, I think, let's see, on my Galaxy Buds Plus, all right, so both of these are charged because I always keep these things charged. It would probably be blinking, if anything, but I guess not. And then on the bottom, you have this little indentation here for where your wireless charging is, your wireless charging coil. You can just sit that on the back of your phone or a wireless charger. Now, one thing I will compare, I just bought these back once again. So the case actually feels smaller to me. I guess that's probably because they went from this pill-shaped case to this sort of like square ovalish case. It feels lighter to me. The battery in this does definitely feel heavier, but yeah, if you want to go ahead and compare the design, there's the sides. You have your bottom with the same indentation. The other side here, sorry, with all the fingerprints and all. Then you have the top. And then that's it. And of course, inside the cradle, if you want to see there, let's take these out. So of course, inside the cradle, you have your two little charging contacts here. And then this one, you also, okay, that magnet is pretty strong. You also have two little charging pins right here. And that's really it. Now, let's set these up. Right, so usually the way this works is once you open the case, because I know this happens with the Galaxy Buds Plus, once you open the case, it should be detected on the phone and allow you to connect to it. So let's see if that works. All right, so open that. Okay, yep, same exact way. New device has been detected. Let's connect. And nothing happens. Oh, okay. There we go. All right, so they're connected, and now let's kind of take a look at what the settings are like inside of the app. So there's my watch, which I just did a comparison on, and there's my other buds, but I don't see the Galaxy Buds Pro. Okay, so I guess that connection is kind of like a forward connection. I guess that just connects Bluetooth to it, but it doesn't actually connect to the Galaxy Wearable app. So, or I could be wrong. Let's connect them anyway. Let's pair up, scan. So it finds my Galaxy Buds Pro. Then it installs ridiculously quick, because that's only 11 megabytes. I would be surprised if it didn't. And I'm not going to report diagnostic info. I don't like doing that because you're still siphoning my data. All right, and then let's link them. And we're all set. All right, so we got them paired now. And this is what it looks like inside of the app. And there's already an update right there. Okay, that's cool. So I'm not gonna go through the app because I'm gonna save that for the comparison. I do take pretty long to do my comparison videos just because I kind of like to get in depth with these, or as in depth as I can. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here. Just kind of wanted to give you a idea of what it's like to unbox these, hopefully, you know, really good earbuds. So yeah, Galaxy Buds Pro. Stay tuned for the comparison between both of these, and let's see if these do it for me. Although, if I can give you a hint, I'm kind of biased with the red color, and I may wait to have these for myself personally until they, like when they come out in red. But I will definitely give you the nitty gritty, all the facts, and just kind of how they stack up between both. But I want red. Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for that comparison.